Yeah. Stay till Saturday. And I actually probably got her early, got the numbers. Yeah, they here early and they hand out numbers so everyone can get organized when they go in. I'm out of breath. I ran here. So it opens in 2 minutes. There's Holly and he's checking her out.
Otherwise, we'll start with 1 through 30 and see how it feels. No checks. Charge, there's a $5 surcharge at every $100. So go ahead and start with 1 more.
We're close enough.
16, so you're after us.
Okay. For everybody, so it's not like not that I think that much is yeah, I didn't think much. Yeah, you know.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We got 28.
That green envelope. Oh, that's cool. How well does that one work?
We got 36. 36.
Now all there is Christmas non-stop. I don't need them. Non-stocking is a good one. You still want to put the non-stocking?
That's true. That's true.
These are not fun at all.
You like Christmas stuff?
Easter.
Not really.
Santa surprise. Oh, doesn't look familiar. I did that one. Little animals. Oh, that's yes.
How much are those?
It's hard as two, soft as one. I don't know. Yeah, sorry, I did a terrible job recording. I saw the stamps right off the bat, and there was 3 shoe boxes of stamps. And as soon as I put them in my bag, some lady's like, "Are you buying those?" Yes, I'm buying them. And then I found some golden books. Holly does her own thing, so I just put my stuff in the car and I'm walking back to help Holly. And my husband, he came and he's like, "Never again." He doesn't like the crowds. I don't blame him. So anyway, I'm gonna go help Holly and see what she got. Not shipped. I can't believe this was only $2. All right, we're at Holly's car. She got it. Yeah, I can't believe that was only $2 and that's not shipped at all. So she did get a lot of her Halloween decorations, but not all. Not all, because there's a lot of stuff spread throughout the house. I got you this. You got me that? Look, Shaggy Dog. Look. Oh my God. Is that not the cutest thing ever? That is the cutest thing ever. Thank you. I thought you would like that. I do. That's adorable. All right. I'll take that. So I went down and grabbed that immediately. You paid $5 for it? Yeah, that's normal. It was $5. $5 is normal for yes, they normally go immediately. $5 for that, Robert. Robert's, he didn't
Got a whole jar full of those, huh?
He didn't last long. Too many years ago. We do actually. Oh well, okay, that's the first. I've never seen with gotta see if I can, whatever that is on its head. Okay, so I came for that. I got that. I'm super excited.
You came just for that?
Yeah, it's a perfume, Avon perfume bottle.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, I actually got you 2 more things. You got me 2 more things? I did not see those. A creepy clown and
a snuggle
oh my
bear?
god, that's a snuggle bear. Is that a snuggle bear? Or no, wait, what's he called? I think it's called snuggle bear. Thank
They
you,
had a
Holly.
couple of these.
Plastic ones, so I got a
remember
couple of
those.
those.
You don't have to take them all out. She just got a whole bunch of vintage Christmas ornaments.
Yeah, so that's just, they had tons of glass, but they want $3 each glass.
You don't have to take them out.
And
Oh,
then-
I remember having those. Is that an Avon pin?
Possibly, I don't know. So I got both of those.
More elves. I see creepy elves in there.
Yeah, this is my hillbilly elf.
Hillbilly elf.
Yeah.
Of course, why would there be?
And then this
Oh my God, it's
one,
getting windy.
this one had an elf
Elf
on it.
on mistletoe.
Okay, so that's that.
And it's very windy, isn't it?
It's in my storm today. All right, so in here, Jenny grabbed all these die cuts for me, so yay.
Yeah, when I grabbed them, I definitely heard a couple
I got
sighs that
a
people said I
couple
gotta get to
vintage
it.
Star Wars, but yeah, because I saw the person holding it. Okay, I got a couple of vintage Star Wars.
Yeah.
I always like these fans. I don't know why, but she only charged me $1, and it's a nice wooden one. These dominoes, there were only 2. Last time I tried to get a box of dominoes, they were way overpriced, so I grabbed that. She only charged me $1 for that.
Oh, those are cute. Are those like coasters, I take it?
Yeah. This, I just got this because it was only 5.
Okay.
So they're glass ornaments, big ones, they were charging 3 each.
Yeah.
So for all these little ones for 5, I'm like, I'm grabbing that. And it's a good box. So these are the other die cuts.
How much did
Jenny-
they charge you for those?
$1 each.
$1 each?
Yes.
Jeez Louise.
That's fine though. They are, so,
Oh, those are, I like picking them. They're so small though. They're really cute.
yeah, but that's okay. And then this is what I wanted. I didn't want to pay 20. This is the other thing I really wanted. These old bulbs
Yeah.
with the, I forget what they're called.
They're cute.
So 20 is a little much, but I went ahead and got it. So I'm averaging $2 a piece. I prefer $1 a piece, but I'll take them.
All right.
That's only the second time this year I've seen those ones. So overall, I would say we did good. I got what I wanted. So I'm happy.
All right.
Are you happy?
I'm happy. So thanks for meeting me here. Say hi, Holly.
Hi, Holly.
Oh my God. Anyway, Holly's got to get home. We got to get home, and then we will meet up this afternoon to go to the cookie walk.
And hopefully, there's a potential of storms. Hopefully the
Hopefully it
storms
won't
stay
rain.
away.
I don't like it when it rains at the cookie walk. So anyway. All right, we just got home. I'm going to show you what I got real quick in the trunk before I take it inside. So here is a box of stamps. These are all canceled stamps. She just cut them off of, whoever it was just cut them off of like letters they got in every day. So there are 3 shoe boxes. That's one. This is a plastic shoe box, and then there's another one underneath it. So just stamps. And then you saw I got some golden books, and then I got this little cute kid cookbook, and then they had an office, and it had some old paper I thought was cool. So I got that. That will be good for junk journaling. So there's the golden books. And then I got this paper doll booklet from Fisher Price. I thought that was cool. Oh, this was just odds and ends stamp stuff that went with the stamps. And then I got these 2 Disney books. Isn't those cute? And then just this index box holder full of index cards. Did I show you the Viewmaster rails? I think I was most excited when Holly was flipping through. I showed her real quick. It has a Chili Willy one, and my husband loves Chili Willy. Got a lot of monsters. I don't know. I love Viewmaster rails. If you've watched me from the beginning, my very first video is a huge Viewmaster rail lot that I got at an estate sale. So it just holds one of my favorite things to collect. Where is Chili Willy? Here we go. Chili Willy. My husband loves Chili Willy. That's one of his favorite cartoons. So anyway, that was really cool. I got that. So basically all this stuff is a keeper for me. Nothing I'm really going to resell. This is for me. And then the stamps, I'll probably get rid of some stamps for on Etsy because I'm going to make some junk journaling kits for the extra stuff I have. So if anyone needs some stamps, let me know. They're not like, they're just like canceled ones. I don't know that they're really worth anything, but for junk journaling people, they're worth something.
I didn't know if you caught it and if I got it on video or not, but as soon as I grabbed these, a woman wanted them, and she's like, are you gonna buy them? I said, yes, I am. She's like, well, if you change your mind, I'm gonna be here, let me know. And she asked me, are you a collector or a crafter? And I'm like, I am a crafter. And she said, so am I. And then I saw her later and I said, do you do junk journals? And she said, yes, she does. So that was funny. I found someone who did junk journals, and you know what? I guess I could have been nice and let her have a box, but you know what? It's a cutthroat world, and I got up at 7 a.m. to be there first. So sorry, lady, you were super nice, but early bird gets the worm. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and I will see you later.